Hello, welcome to PAIT, Project Management and AI Tools. New updates of P6 come nearly every year, or you may update your PC. And you would like to continue working on the project from where you last left it on your old Primavera P6 version. For more such videos, please subscribe to my channel. So let's get into it. First of all, you should know that Primavera P6 stores all its data in its database. To access the database, go to Documents folder of your PC, and here you can see these are my old files, and this is the version that I am using right now. It is ppm db SQLite 40. This is the version that I have been using in my current Primavera. Usually you will find just one database file here. You can copy that into a new folder like this, and this will serve as a backup database. After installation of updated version, open Primavera P6 Professional, and before entering password, select the option of Edit Database Configuration. This window will appear, and from here you need to press Add. Now you can see that new connection is available here, and you can select P6 Pro SQLite. Then you can change the name. I will change it to old database. Then add a connection to an existing standalone database. Next, and here I need to add the link to my previous database. You again go to Documents. You go to your folder that you created, Backup, and this is the database that you want to make. So open, click Save, and it has been updated successfully. Now close it, and then go to this advanced option. From here, you can see that this is the new version of database that I had in my fresh copy of Primavera, and this is the old database. Select this, enter the password, and connect. Here you will see that the projects that I had in my old database are also available. And that's all. Please subscribe to the channel to show support so that I can keep myself motivated. Bye bye.